The 2026 Temerario Super Trofeo is a stunning blend of aggressive design, cutting-edge technology, and track-focused performance, continuing the legacy of ultra-exotic racing machines with a modern twist. This year's model pushes the boundaries of what a track car can be while still offering an accessible experience for enthusiasts and racers alike. Built on a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis, the Super Trofeo features improved aerodynamics with active elements that enhance cornering stability and straight-line speed. Wider air ducts, a larger rear diffuser, and a redesigned wing make this the most aerodynamic version yet, with significant downforce gains over previous models. Under the hood, the Super Trofeo is powered by a naturally aspirated V10 engine delivering a thunderous 670 horsepower at high revs. Paired with a 7-speed sequential gearbox, the transmission offers lightning-fast shifts that maintain torque throughout the power band. The vehicle's all-new suspension setup includes adjustable dampers and anti-roll bars, allowing teams and drivers to tailor the handling to each track's specific requirements. Torque vectoring and revised traction control ensure optimal grip through tight corners and long straights, making it a machine built to dominate in one-make racing series. Inside, the 2026 version strips away any unnecessary luxuries in favor of pure race-ready function. The cockpit is dominated by a digital display with real-time telemetry, performance analytics, and customizable race modes. The lightweight racing seat with 6-point harness, integrated roll cage, and fire suppression system ensure safety and compliance with global motorsport regulations. A multifunction steering wheel allows for quick access to drive modes, pit communication, and setup changes on the fly. Every inch of the interior is engineered to reduce weight and improve driver focus, emphasizing its role as a purpose-built racing machine. Temerario has also made improvements to the car's cooling systems, brakes, and tire management. Larger carbon ceramic brakes with enhanced cooling ducts offer fade-free performance during endurance stints. The tire pressure monitoring system is more responsive and integrates with telemetry to allow better mid-race adjustments. Additional reliability upgrades mean longer running hours before major overhauls are needed, reducing costs for race teams and private owners alike. Beyond the specs, what sets the 2026 Super Trofeo apart is its engagement and precision. Whether on tight circuits or fast-sweeping corners, the car responds instantly to input, offering razor-sharp steering and incredible grip levels. The roaring sound of the V10 coupled with the mechanical feel of the gearbox provides a visceral experience that modern turbocharged race cars often lack. It is a car that rewards skill and bravery, demanding respect from even the most seasoned drivers. Whether you are a racing team, a gentleman driver, or just a fan of high-performance engineering, the 2026 Temerario Super Trofeo stands out as a serious contender in its category. It's not just about speed, but about creating a connection between man and machine that few cars can deliver. For more reviews, track tests, and in-depth looks at the latest high-performance machines, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and